Okay, let's keep practicing C major scale steady. I'm going to do the last two lines with the eighth notes. So, get your finger, third fret, fifth string, third finger. Third finger. 1 and 2 and